And now here's our featured presentation. To cure or not to cure, an HIV cure cost-benefit analysis.
So first of all, the challenge of HIV. 78 million people have been infected with HIV since it was first discovered in early 1980s. 37 million people are currently living with HIV, and only 41% of those infected are currently on treatment, which is quite remarkable. Furthermore, 2 million people are newly infected each year, which is about 5,600 new infections per day. And the total annual global cost of HIV is expected to rise from its 22 billion where it was in 2015 to about 32 billion in 2020, which is just 2 years from now, surprisingly enough. And unfortunately, 39 million people have died since the early 80s, and about 1.2 million people die every year. So this is certainly a disease that continues to be a major challenge for our global community. In 2015, there was an international alliance that was chartered, and this was a combination of representatives from academia, the scientific community there, government, philanthropy, and industry. And the goal was to essentially bring these folks together and develop a strategic roadmap for how to eradicate HIV. And it had as its structure a governing board, a steering committee, a fiscal sponsor that managed the funding of the initiative, an executive director, and then was staffed by fellows that were generously provided by industry, usually in 3 to 6 month increments, to be able to help carry out the activities of the alliance.